Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to optimize the HD vision on your Facebook stories, because we've all been there when we try to upload a Facebook story and yet when the outcome is done, it's kind of a blurry. So I'm going to teach you guys how to optimize that. So first of all, you need to go to let's go to my profile here. I need you to go to this icon. I need you to go to this icon right here. Click this, and then scroll down. Click settings. This is going to be really quick. Now, once you are on settings, I'm going to need you to click this one right here, the search bar. Go ahead and search. Now, in the search bar, I'm going to need you to type in the word media. There you go. Click media. And now, the reason why your stories, when you try to upload them and they're not on full HD and they're kind of a bit blurry, is because you didn't optimize the adjust videos to network conditions right here. This one right here. You need to click this one in order to optimize your content that you've been uploading. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.